welcome to another video. Today we are up in Hest near Morecambe to see what there is here. It's on the west coast mainland and it has its own level crossing, so we're seeing trains, the Morecambe Bay, maybe Blackpool and a cafe too. So come and join this video to see what's happened here in Hest. It's about an hour's drive away from Blackpool and it's located just outside Morecambe, just off the A6, and very easy to get to. And in this video there will also be a special announcement coming up towards the end, so make sure you stay tuned for that in this video. So Hest is just outside Morecambe, so if you're visiting Morecambe you can go here, or if you go straight down the A6 you'll come to it. It's a small village by the railway line, and it's got loads of trains going through, like Avanti, Northern and Transpennine trains you'll see in this video, hopefully, if I remember which ones I recorded. But this is just a voice, so this is like talking to you like this today. But yeah, so we got Avanti coming through the level crossing now here at Hest, but it is very close to Blackpool, so why not come down and make yourself a visit. Yes, so this is now an overall view of Hest on the Morecambe Bay. So just so there that you're looking at now is the lakes, and then down here is the shore cafe, which is all cash only, so they don't have a car machine there, but they do have an ice cream van. There's lots of parking, and it's all free, so you can just pull up in your cars and park up if you can find a space, because it can get busy at some times. But there's loads of bins, loads of places to sit, really nice cafe here. It's on the west coast main line, so you can watch all the trains if you're into trains like me, or you can just come and look at this beautiful bay. So in front of you now is that is the Lake District in front of you now, and then to the left of that you'll probably see North Wales, because it all curves around the coast. So looking towards that way, that is towards Morecambe, and then that's all the Lake District over there. So yes, it's on the west coast main line. It's just off the A6, so you can get to the A6 from Blackpool going up through to Bolton, and then up through Great Eccleston and on to Garsang, or you can get the M55 onto M6 North and come off just north of Morecambe. There is birds you can see here on Morecambe Bay too, lots of birds, lots of information points here as well, so you can come and have a look at all different information whilst you're going round Hest. It's a good place if you want to go for a walk as well. But yes, so this is Hest here in Morecambe, and this video is about to come to the end in a minute. So we have got a special announcement coming. That will be right at the end, hopefully, if I can get it done tonight. If not, I apologise for it. But it should be out. So we'll get that sorted. They have nice sculptures, benches and lots of bins here. They have all these lovely birds on the thing, like the ducking and diving and stuff like that. The birds that tells you all about them. Yes, so this video is coming to end now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give us a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. And probably the next one will be back in Blackpool. So see you next time. Bye.